Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rama. Yes, it's another skincare video. Today we are making carrot soap. Carrot soap is actually very easy to make, and it has so many benefits for our skin. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can get started and get going. So for this preparation, you will need a fresh carrot. I am actually using half of the carrot for now. It just depends on the quantity that you are making. With the quantity you're making will depend on the amount of carrot that you will be using. So carrot is full of antioxidants and is loaded with beta carotene that works in healing acne, scar, blemishes on your skin. The beta carotene and the vitamin A prevents free radical damage and eliminate blemishes and dark spots. It will also prevent premature wrinkling of your skin. This also gives you an even toned skin and more hydration to your skin. If you are also suffering from eczema, this will help you get rid of it. So once you cut your carrots in little pieces and blend it all smooth, now you need your soap base. I am using my aloe vera melt and pour soap base, and you just need to cut this in little tiny pieces so it will make it easier for you to melt this faster. And you just put it in a pan, and you're going to take this into a double boiling method to melt the soap. Once you melt this soap, all you need to do is just pour your carrot inside and let it all mix together. So I did add the white powder that I added there is for extra foaming. I like my soap to be extra foaming. This is totally optional for you. You don't have to add it. But all the product that I use will be in the description box. So please refer to the description box for all the info on these videos about all the product that I use. So our soap is completely melted. Now what we need to do is just pour our carrot inside. So after I did add my vitamin E into my soap, I also add vitamin C, and then you just mix it together, and that is it. You do not let this warm up any longer. You do not let this cook anyhow. Once it's all mixed together, that's it. It's ready to be poured. The best thing about soap is you can pour in pretty much anything. You can anything you want to at all. So I am using this molding here. Those are silicone molding, and I am going to go ahead and just add my soap into each one of those little packets here. And once you have it all filled up, you just let it sit for as long as you can. If you want to put in a refrigerator to cool faster, I left mine overnight, and the next day the soap was ready. So guys, this is a very easy video, and is a very short video as well, because it's really very self-explanatory. It really doesn't require much to make a soap, and as you can see here, the soaps are ready. Look at that. It's just really beautiful. You can add like a food coloring if you want the color to be different or more pop of that reddish orangey color. You can add an artificial color to make it more significant. And guys, just look how this soap is foaming. It has a lot of foaming, and this is exactly what I'm looking for, especially if you're going to be taking showers with it. I love my soap with extra foaming, and that's exactly what this is giving. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys being here. Please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, join the family. This is a great way to show me support and help me grow my channel. Please give me a thumbs up as well, it helps. I would really appreciate if you guys also share with your friends and family. Until next time guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.